Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys how to remove the tire residue that's on your bumper, on the front of the car, and the back. Now this is when somebody crashed into me. When he crashed into me, he left his tire residue behind, and as you can see there, it is pretty hard to remove, and it's pretty much stuck on there. One product that I found that actually works very good is a throttle body cleaner here. This will actually take off the residue very easily. Now, one thing about this product is that if your paint has a clear coat, I'm not 100% sure if it'll remove, but for me personally, I use it to remove some decal residue or sticker residue, and it didn't do anything to my paint. So I would try this at your own risk, but for me personally, nothing happened to my paint. So all you basically need is some paper towels and the cleaner, and that's it. What you have to do is just spray it on and clean it as soon as possible before it dries up. So let me shake it. Let me spray right here, and as you can see, look how easy it is to remove. See, it removes very easily. Let me spray this part. There we go. Okay, and there's a thin line right here, so let me spray that as well. And see how easy it is to remove? This product works amazing removing these type of stains. And there's a bottom stain right here at the bottom. As you can see. Oh no, that's my paint. Because when the guy crashed into me, you see all these chips? Yeah, these chips are in the bottom here. I ended up fixing the big dent that was on the back here. It's a huge, like 8 to 10 inch dent, but I ended up pulling it out. But it did left some crust areas right here and at the bottom too. But for the most part, it removed the tire residue as easy as that. And there's some right here. Yeah, as you can see. And it only basically took me one use, just one swipe. And right here, there is some dried up glue, and this product removes it as fast as well. Spray. You have to scrub a couple times, but as you can see there, half of it is already gone. See there? Just keep on spraying it, keep on rubbing it with the paper towel. And as you can see, the exhaust here, there is some dried up gas here. I don't know, let me try it. Let me see if it actually removes as well. Yeah, it actually is removing. You see that? Oh. Spray one more time. Yeah. That was extremely fast and easy with using this product right here. Now after you spray the throttle body cleaner onto the bumper, you want to make sure to get some water and spray everything and get that throttle body cleaner residue off. And get a brand new paper towel and clean everything off. So, guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.